Hello, this is a very simple way to make a paper airplane. So first, you need to take your paper and place it vertically, and then fold it like this. And make sure to make a crease right here. And then you unfold the paper and fold this corner until it lines with the crease. And do the same thing for the other side. Now you need to fold your paper back and make it like this. And then fold this part of the paper down until it aligns with this edge. Now flip it over and fold this part of the paper down until it aligns with the edge. And now they got a very simple paper airplane.